Alright guys, this is the normal circle or orbit of Venus. You can see that it's mostly circular and with a little bit of eccentricity, and it's because of the eccentricity that you have this sine graph of velocity, variable velocity in its orbit. And you can see that it's pretty consistent every time it goes around, not really changing. But if we were to, or if a sun were to cross across, or I guess cross our solar system, you would notice that the sun, up here it says, it shows the velocity of the sun. It would begin to accelerate quite rapidly, and the sine graph, the amplitude of the sine graph of the velocity of Venus would begin to increase proportionally, because as the sun accelerates, it creates a more eccentric orbit for Venus, and that causes it to have to travel a greater distance in order to rotate in its normal period. I'll slow it down right here. You see that it hits its, it just begins increasing because there was double the mass of the sun that it was orbiting around. Yeah, hope you guys learned something. Physics. It's now beginning to create its own sine graph again, because this sun is beginning to move away and not really have as much of an effect on Venus's orbit, and this sun will soon begin to maintain a normal velocity.